I am originally from the Philippines. I'm now residing in the San Francisco Bay Area in California. I work here as a full-time mechanical engineer. I've been doing that for over 20 years, and I'm also a mom to three amazing children. Okay, so what got me into the digital business is because my family desperately needs financial help. Okay, as prestigious as it sounds to be an engineer working for the government, the truth of the matter is, I have a hard time making ends meet month after month. On top of that, life hits hard sometimes, and I am going through a divorce. So I am now faced with being a single mom for about 4 years now. I have made a lot of poor financial decisions, mainly to survive, which put me in a significant amount of debt. My goal is to be debt free like Maha, as she shared. That's definitely one of my very immediate goals.